Hey guys, so we are back in the game. Something happened, sorry. And we have to go to school. It's 5:37. Don't mind how much diamonds I have. That's just because I spent a lot on this skirt. Well, not just this skirt, the other skirt. So pretty much, yeah. That's the principal right there. I swear, I promise I'm not acting as her. Okay, let's get breakfast. We have to wait till it's 56. Okay. No. Alright, come on. Drinks. Let's get some tea, and then let's get some. That, and let's go. Okay, so let's go. None of this is gonna be bad. Why is it all the way up here? This is nice. Yeah. All right, sorry about that. We got this. This is gonna be so good. Such a good breakfast. Oh, yummy. Nom nom nom. Nom nom nom. Nom nom nom. Look, some more. They were eating. I drink some coffee. A lot of coffee in here. Okay, and then I'm gonna just eat this. All done. Now let's go. Okay, what our next class is going to be chemistry. So, we gotta put our we gotta take our skirt off, new skirt, and then we have to. Let's just put this on. Actually, we have to do our hair. We have to put our hair down. Okay, I'm done. Now we look good. Now we gotta go to chemistry. My book. No, my locker is right here. It's right here. Yeah, I'm gonna actually we're gonna get our chemistry. Now we're gonna put this away. Oh, we have our wings. Wings, hide wings. Okay, because we don't want to get our wings wet. So chemistry is over here for a second. I keep thinking that it's chemistry is swimming. Okay. I just had to do something really quick. Chemistry is over here. Okay, we're at chemistry. Let's pick a seat. Okay, you don't want. Okay, go to fly. I really wanted that seat. Okay, actually, I don't want that one. I want this one. Okay, we are at chemistry, and we should be able to get this really fast because I don't want to get wet. So I really don't want to get wet. Okay. I'm not that fast, I promise you guys. I suck at chemistry. Oh, okay, that was a close one. That was very, very close one. Red, yellow, green, purple. No. We're gonna fall. And yeah, we're gonna fall. See, I'm horrible at chemistry. Principal just standing there. Okay, we have time to get ready for swimming. We're already ready for swimming, but we just need to put our chemistry book away because we don't want that to get wet. So put that back. Okay, perfect. Let's actually try to somebody's locker. Let's try to go in this girl's locker. Oh. Anybody has 1, 2, 3, 4 combination. What about this girl? No, she doesn't. I clicked hers earlier. How did I get an A? Well, at least I participated. Nobody here has the 1, 2, 3. What about one? You got it? No. Nobody has 1, 2, 3, 4. But somebody just says 1. Okay. Oh, we need to like relax a little bit. Let's go. Oh, swimming. We need to get a little wet before we go swimming. So let's go over here and swim a little bit. Why do I swim so weird? Okay, we need to go swimming. Okay. Oh, I hate swimming. Come on, jump! Oh man, see how horrible I am? I swim very weird. I don't know why I swim. Oh my god. That is not. I want to get 0 falls for once. Come on, get down. She's just standing there. Down. What? Ooh. Okay, this is so close. So close. Okay, that does not count. Why do we swim like this? Oh my god. What's the next class? Music. Nobody even knows music. Alright, we got a B. Okay, so, what we're gonna do, we're gonna... Oh my god, I can't let anybody know, but like, okay. I have to let everybody leave before I turn into a mermaid. Because if anybody finds out, I'm doomed. Wait till that person right there leaves. Girl, leave! You leave too! You and you. Okay, I'm just gonna... Okay. Get mermaid thing ready. Come on, leave. Okay. What we're gonna do is we're gonna just run here. Okay, and get changed. We're gonna be a mermaid. What happened? What the? Oh my god. We can't let anybody know we're a mermaid. If anybody finds out, we'll be just forever. Oh my god, 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 what do we do? High tail, what was my outfit I was wearing? I forgot, we need to put on something, it was this with, no, it was this skirt, and it was like this color right here. Phew, wait, I just changed my outfit. Here, we need to change that back into this. Okay, now we look like a normal person. Okay, computer is next, computer class. So we need to get out of here before anybody sees me. anybody. Even if my friend, nobody can see me. Okay. Oh, it's a close one. Hey, Alex. I'm saying, hey, Alex. Guys, you know, I'm just gonna skip some classes and pause the video for now because we're only 15 minutes to record this. So, I'm gonna do it because it's only as you guys can see, it's 10 minutes and 23 seconds. I'm gonna pause it and then I'll see you guys at the dance. Okay, guys. So, this is how I look for the dance. I look pretty. That's where I okay, so we're gonna go into the dance and yeah, you know, it's a regular day. Okay, so this girl do her thing, but she's a doll and he's an angel. Oh, well, it's not gonna go. Let's do dance. Let's dance. Ooh, dance. Yeah, let's just sit down. I'm just gonna walk around. Ugh. Oh my god. Hey. Oh! Bite my nails. Hey! I'm just gonna walk around. See how beautiful I am. I want to get this dress so bad. Right here. If I want to buy diamonds later. I want to buy this much diamonds, 10,000. And then hold on, guys.